Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious shrimp appetizer, and I'm going to make shrimp with olives. I have a 1 pound shrimp, tail on, and these are raw shrimp and these are peeled and deveined. Olives, you can cut the olives in half and you can keep it like this, but I prefer whole olives. So please try it that way. 1 teaspoon olive oil, salt, black pepper, half teaspoon each, half teaspoon parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon freshly chopped garlic, and 1 tablespoon butter. This is strictly optional. You can skip it if you don't want it. Try butter and it's going to bring a flavor to our shrimp. And let's start making our delicious shrimp olive appetizer. Get a fry pan and I'll start gas. And we're going to keep gas on high as the pan start to heat up. I like best about this pan is the indicator. If you see the green right here, as soon as it's going to start fade out, it's going to turn into red color. Our pan will be hot. By the time it's getting hot, I'll add olive oil. As you see, the green color is fading away. It's coming red color. I'll add butter. At the same time, I'll bring the gas to medium now. We're going to add garlic and we're going to mix it. We just need to cook like 10 seconds. We'll add shrimp. And on medium gas, mix it well. Once it's nicely coated with the butter and olive oil, and we're going to keep cooking and keep moving. It's going to soak out all the flavor from garlic and butter. As you see, it starts to change the color. The shrimps are nicely changing the color. So we're going to keep moving. Within 1 minute, this is how the shrimps start to look. So keep turning and we're going to cook only 3 minutes on medium gas. Almost all the pieces are turned over. We're going to cook 1 more minute. So cooking for 3 minutes altogether. This is how it looks. I'll add all the spices, salt, black pepper, red chili flakes, parsley flakes, and we're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, keep moving, and we're going to cook 2 minutes on medium gas. Another 2 minutes of cooking, altogether cooking for 5 minutes. I'll add lemon juice. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll add olives. Mix it well. Bring the gas to high and we're going to cook only 1 minute. So altogether 6 minutes of cooking on medium gas and now 1 minute on high gas. Another minute of cooking with a high flame. We're going to turn it off. It's all done. So it took us exactly 7 minutes. Look at how delicious. I have my serving platter ready and we're going to dish out. Look at, so tasty, delicious. This is very easy to make appetizer and it's super tasty and kids love it. Let me share with you. Our quick and easy, tasty shrimp olives appetizer is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. And this was the reason I was saying that keep olives as a whole, or you can cut it in half. You can take these olives and this is the perfect appetizer. So good. These shrimps are very tasty and delicious. Please try it. So good. It's very tasty and very delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.